Hi everyone, we're here at KMB Plumbing, Electrical, and HVAC. Joining me is Carrie Manning. Carrie, tell us about the company.
Now, we've been in business for 30 years. We've been servicing from the Poconos to the Lehigh Valley, residential homes and businesses.
Let's tell everybody why they need to call you guys first.
Well, we have the knowledge, reputation, and experience. I mean, being in business for over 30 years says exactly that.
Carrie, when you go to see a customer, what is the procedure?
Well, first I go over exactly what the job they're looking to have done, and then I meet with them. We go over all the plans, I take some measurements, I take some pictures. It really depends on what they're looking to get done.
What about maintenance? A lot of people sometimes forget, and then it's too late.
Right. Well, I do send out reminders through our database to all our existing customers that it's time to get your HVAC maintenance, maybe change a filter.
There's frequent power outages here in the Poconos, and I know you offer more than one kind of heating system.
Besides the duct units, the ductless units, we also have radiant heat options for flooring, but there's also vent-free heaters that you can have installed, and they don't require electric. So that's a great option for when the power goes out. It's an easier option, especially when you have little kids trying to get that fire lit. This is, you push the button, and you have an instant heat. Generators are also another great option, so if you're looking to have a generator installed, I'm the one that you're going to call for that free estimate.
So Carrie, I heard that you're offering a new service. What is that?
We are super excited to announce a new part of our business that will benefit residential homes and businesses, communities, towns, and boroughs that have any type of underground sewer system. It's called Zero Dig or Trenchless Sewer Line Pipe Services, and it has changed the way we approach sewer line excavation and repairs. We are using a new technology and state-of-the-art plumbing techniques to diagnose and rehabilitate existing underground sewer systems without the messy excavation.
Carrie, who would they call for that service?
Well, you'd call us, 570-460-0111.
And what about the residential work that clients may need?
Well, there's a couple of ways you can get in contact with us. Visit our website for a list of services, kmbplumbing.com. You can submit a request online to request a free estimate. You can also call 570-238-5179.